RBE here. We were in Romulus right now, kind of nearby. I got in Shook Real now, but the lines are pretty dead, so I'm not going to go into the crossing. Caleb, we have, well no, I'm just going to say real fan. First real fan here, it's Caleb. He's going to tour another crossing, so I figured I could tour this crossing while this one is dead. So, we got a Jeremy base, and then Super Gate, and then we have a station gate mechanism. Maybe I'm thinking about maybe the late, early one. And then we got some stage train incandescent lights. It's double retinal sign, the dot tag. The crossing pin number is 1-800. Well, I'll have to include the 1-800-946. No, yeah, 946. It's 4744. And then the dot tag is 477 and 306 306Y. And then for the belt we got a GS Type 2. And then for the gate lights we have any G gate lights. Bleeding incandescent. The last time I was here was a pretty long time ago. I didn't really pay attention. So I'm gonna go across the road real quick. Here we have another one. This has another Jeremy base with another station type. No, station gate mechanism. Emergency info, some old station light, incandescent lights. The valves are pretty different. And same energy. The valves are pretty different. This is a station type 3 E-Locho. Gas station type 3. All of them, we got red solo. Well, I can't really see both ones. We got red like all over here. It could possibly mean that the train could be coming from the opposite direction, maybe. But I think I saw something. Maybe it's just my imagination. A train could come from the opposite direction and be red lights. However, I doubt it. It's just pretty dead right now. So honestly, I mean, I could have dead sound effects.
Dead.
Alright. Well, that's gonna be all, y'all. So bye.